How to update all apps on Android at once. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to update all your Android apps at once. Super simple and only takes a minute. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Play Store app on your phone. And here, make sure that you're logged in with your account. And here, once you're inside the Play Store app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here in the menu that appears, simply tap on Manage Apps and Devices. And under this section, you'll see something like Updates Available or No Harmful Apps Found. So go ahead and tap on Updates Available and you will see a list of all the apps that need updating. Now you can either tap update next to each individual app or just hit update all at the top right, much faster if you have several apps to update at once. And also make sure that you are connected to a good Wi-Fi network since it will need to download and install those updates. And that's it. That's how you can update all apps on Android at once. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.